What is going on, guys? Welcome to Off-Road Wednesday. Today we are working on my 1974 Honda CT70.
Dude, I've been waiting to do this build.
Yeah, this one's just been on the back burner and it's finally a good week to mess with it. Bought it for 350 bucks, like I said, 3 or 4 months ago. It's in rough shape. All we know is that it has no spark. But the reason I really wanted one of these bikes is because you can actually get them licensed and insured, and it's a street legal mini bike, essentially. I know Roadkill did a episode with them a few years ago. It looked like a ton of fun. And since we're all about mini bikes and stuff, you know, a street legal mini bike is kind of the holy grail. So it has a 70cc engine, but it's the same type of engine that's on Pugly and that's on our ATV. So a bigger, more powerful engine can be easily swapped out if that's what we want to do. When I first bought it, I asked you guys if you wanted to see a cafe racer kind of resto mod or just a restoration, and everyone honestly surprised me and was like, don't modify it. So right now, all we're doing is getting it running, going for a ride, and seeing what we want to do from there.
I remember looking at it before, and we found that we had no rust whatsoever.
It's got plenty of that.
It's got plenty of rust. No spark. So, got to figure out why we have no spark. So, just looking over the wiring and got to find the ignition box. Wait a minute. You said this was a 74, right?
Yeah.
I bet you it's got points. I mean, you see the old stuff I drive around in.
Yeah.
Always start with the points first.
Woo!
It'll be fine. Okay. There's a little cam right here that the point's right on. I don't know if you can see that shiny spot. See, this thing is egg-shaped. You really can't see it, but it is egg-shaped. When this spins, the egg shape rides in here and it makes and breaks these points. Now, you shouldn't have to unscrew the screw the whole way. Now, this one you gotta take out the whole way. And don't drop the screw. Just crack this thing open and you put this in there and you let the spring kind of do its work. It's pitted up.
That's not good.
No. So I got the points sanded, but they're not perfect. They're pretty pitted, but it should be good enough to get some fire. Off camera, I noticed that this engine is not original to the bike. We've got the last couple of digits of the VIN on the bike is 76, and the last 2 digits on the engine are 30. Usually, like my motorcycles and stuff, the engines have the same VIN number as the frame. So unless there's something different here, this engine's been replaced. Tighten this bad boy up.
So, stupid question, but what is that?
Air filter.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
John! I didn't have to get any lubricant. You want to put a little lubricant on that little contact point right there. Which fortunately we have some grease on here that I just wiped on the lobe. Do you see the gap is open right there?
Yep.
See this little other gap right down here that the screwdriver's going to? Alright, watch the gap. There we go.
Yep.
See, it's opening and closing. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Alright. You see that right now they're open?
Yes.
Alright, I'm going to turn this over and they should be closed. Boom, they're closed. So you set this to 14 thousandths. And as this thing turns, the points make and break. And then that should be giving us the spark if the coil's good. Tell me if you see anything.
I don't see anything, dude. I bought this battery online a few months ago on Amazon. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. It's a tiny little battery. One thing to note about this battery, it does not ship with acid, so you need to provide your own acid. Thankfully, like I said, it's a small battery, and in every Go Power Sports battery we've ever been sent, it always comes with a little bit of extra acid. So we should have enough to get us by with 2 of these. It'll be fine, right? Nice thing about this battery is that it'll plug directly into the harness. And like Ike said, we might need the battery in there hooked up in order to, oh geez, in order to get spark. So that's the next step.
Smell it? You shouldn't be breathing.
I know,
in
I was
over
way too close to it.
Now, before you plug anything up,
Yeah.
I just want to say, keep an eye out for smoke.
Oh, we got spark, dude.
No way.
Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. It's there.
Okay.
Nothing. Oh, yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Let's put the spark plug in,
Yeah.
and let's try getting some fuel to the carburetor.
All right.
Put the supercharger on it. Well, let's just take this off. Don't we have a spare carburetor? I guarantee this thing's
Gonna be trash.
trash, total garbage.
Yeah. What's it attached to?
Oh, it's got a rubber piece on the back side of it.
It's an interesting design.
Take it easy.
Oh boy.
Oh, it's wide open.
All right.
Let's
I can always turn it off if it works, right?
yeah, just don't blow it up.
Hear that?
It sounded like it was trying.
We have no muffler, no exhaust,
I know.
no nothing.
It'll be fine. Wow. It fired up.
The switch works.
Sweet. Alright, so let's get busy on that carburetor. Man, I wonder if we can take this and turn it around and have it facing forward.
Yo.
Oh, I think it's gonna work.
It's called a ram air intake right there, dude. This is a Mikuni carburetor for a 150cc engine, I believe. Got it from GoPowersports.com. Thank you, chicken. So I was wondering what I could just whip up for a quick and dirty exhaust just to get it off the chassis, because the way it broke, it's pointing right at the frame, and that's going to ruin the paint right there. And it's actually good looking paint right there. Anyway, I found a discarded piece of bent Schedule 40, it looks like, 1-inch pipe from the dragster, and gonna weld it up, and we're probably gonna melt a brake line, but we're gonna deal with that when we cross that bridge. Yeah, it sounds like she got a leak, dude.
I bet you it popped right through here. Oh yeah, it's split wide open.
That bottom of that tank looks crusty,
It's
dude.
blue. It's 2-stroke.
Oh, my bad. Hey, but we got some stuff happening down there. We are about to make a run to the store for fuel line, fuel cutoff, because we don't keep those things handy, and we need to grab a CDI from either Pugly or the ATV for the wiring harness for my 200cc 5-speed go-kart. Anyway, see you guys there.
I guess I'm gonna grab some. Did you want to grab 2?
Yeah, let's grab 2.
Different sizes?
Yes. Cool. So 2 fuel filters,
And
2
fuel line
hoses,
and
and
a
a
fuel
cutoff.
cutoff.
Cool. Yep.
Oh wait, leak.
Leak? Where?
Leak.
Oh, dude. Well,
Got a bad connection here.
there you go.
Don't ride, it's got a flat tire on the front. You will lose control of it, I'm telling you. So we got to put a front tire on it, and then we can go for a ride.
Yeah.
Dude, that sounds really good.
It doesn't sound bad.
That's like a 150 carburetor.
Yeah.
A carburetor for
Doing
150.
fine so far.
Yeah. It's a little black out of the exhaust.
Just a little rich.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. She is a powerhouse.
I got a smile on my face.
right, let's change that tire real quick.
Let's change the tire. Do we have the side cover to put on the over that flywheel?
Yep.
We probably ought to put it on.
Ooh! Matt, stay behind.
Yeah. Ooh, that is ugly.
She's a little rusty, dude.
Yeah. That is ugly, John.
I mean, there's enough there to get us going. Barely.
Got a tube and tire from Go Power Sports. Thank you, Go Power Sports.
Nice. Okay. Ready to go back together?
Yes, sir. They're rotational. Dude, they are
They're
not.
Bridgestones.
That's awesome.
$5 tires.
Yeah, I don't see a rotation
Me
anywhere on it.
That's a nice looking tire.
Not bad.
Sweet. Let's put it back on. One bolt in it, boys. You ready, dude?
We didn't lube the chain or anything.
Nah.
It'll be fine. One kick. Sounds mean.
It idles.
Yeah, it's a little cold natured though.
Is it?
I think it's one down. Too much.
Yeah.
So up is first and down is...
No, it's down everything.
Up all the way is neutral?
Yep. I think anyway. Try going up, see what happens. Weird.
That's backwards.
What's up, dude?
2 thumbs up, buddy.
I was saying, I think you like it.
He's in the woods.
Are you freaking kidding me? Did he not learn his lesson? No.
I heard something stop. Oh my God.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh no.
He did it again?
Oh no.
What is he doing?
Oh, he just hit a tree. Oh no.
So, the Honda Trail 70, 1974, with a non-original engine and a carburetor that's way too big for it.
Does way better than a Jeep in the woods.
Yeah. We do not condone that behavior. I just want to say. There's an inspection sticker on it, but the year's scratched off.
They stopped using that inspection sticker in the 90s.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
So it's probably been 20 years or more.
I'm going to say, yeah.
25 years
more.
maybe? 20 to 25 years?
I'm going to say that thing hadn't been ridden since the 80s. That's my guess.
Wow.
Dude, I'm pretty good at guessing at how
Yeah.
long things have been
Yeah.
sitting up because I've gotten a lot of stuff that sat up.
For a long time.
And I'm going to say this thing's sat up since the 80s.
But you had a great idea. We can rob the carburetor off the 107 and put it on there, and that'll be a closer
It'll be a
closer
performance
match.
carburetor.
Yeah, it'll be a slight upgrade. Yeah, after that, I mean, we can maybe put a muffler on this. We need to order some cables, brake cables, throttle cables.
We need to get the lights hooked up,
Yes.
brake lights working.
We can get it inspected. I can get a title for it.
Yes.
And I can go get my motorcycle license. And then I can ride it around town. Have a street legal mini bike. All right, it's technically not a mini bike. It's technically a motorcycle. But, I mean,
the mini
let me get
bike,
the Trail Master real quick.
our mini bike is bigger than that motorcycle.
Yep, sure is. Got to thank GoPowersports.com for the carburetor and the tires. Yeah, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac'll Be Fine.
Support the channel by buying one of our stickers, hoodies, hats, or t-shirts at cars-cameras.com. What do you think of the Trail 70? First, do you like the Trailmaster or the Trail 70 better? I guess we can do a comparison later, but you know, just what do you think? I like it because it's 3-speed transmission.
I like it because it's vintage.
Yes, so do I. It is so vintage, man. You know, all the stickers on it, preserve nature, always wear a helmet, you know, and like the crazy font and stuff. Yeah, it's good. It's good. And the speedometer we can get working and stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see y'all Monday because we got a wiring harness in for our 200cc 5-speed cart, and yeah, gonna get working on that again.